This meeting is being recorded.
Okay. Hey, Sarah. So coming back, who are the users of CDS Designer, right? CDS client. So you might have the self-service onboarding team who will help folks onboard. That's one type of users. The other users we said was end-to-end system engineers who are testing the application and validating everything is working. And then you'll have the primary users who are the network designers and network engineers who will come in and create your package, provide your templates, scripts, and will actually be the primary users, right? You
Can
also
interrupt? Can you provide me the type of users who didn't use the old one?
who didn't use the old one.
The,
Uh,
the
so so the initial design was used mainly by designer.
okay.
Okay. The self-service team and at least within AT&T, self-service team um, and end-to-end team. There was a team end-to-end team that used it, but it was a different end-to-end team. So most of the people that will come in for this interviews will probably be new to CDS itself.
Okay. But the new designer or the old one?
So when you say
Of
old
course, the
designer,
new designer, of course, we can get many users. They didn't use it so far, or they didn't or don't have any clue about the new interface. I mean that we need maybe a new users who didn't use the old one too.
right,
Is
right. So most of the people that will do this, I want to say will probably not know about CDS. Okay. What I want to say is that within AT&T, we had prior to what you see in ONAP as the client, we had some other implementation. So we had other teams using the prototype. Remember I showed you the YouTube of the prototype?
yeah.
That's the UI experience that we provided, and that was the one that was used, okay, within the AT&T.
Yeah.
We haven't used the client within AT&T yet. We're gonna start using the designer client itself and not the client.
Yes.
Okay, so what folks that come into this, most likely it will be a new experience for them, and they will, it's a completely different experience than the prototype, right? So
Okay. And we need to include you as one user for the test.
yes,
Yeah.
me and Abdel should be. So it's from AT&T. It's myself who will also provide feedback. Abdel who will provide feedback, and it should Pratmesh from Bell Canada who will provide some feedback, and we will also have some other folks. I'm gonna engage and make sure they can provide feedback as well. I'll send you the list after I discuss it with them, and we plan out a date when this can be done.
Okay.
Okay, and so also I want to say, Sarah, is that we want to present the prototype design or in I think April 8th we said. Is
Yeah.
that something that you're available to join?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Just
I'm
next
not.
week. Meeting.
Will you be able to present it, or do you want me to present it? I prefer if
So we are
maybe
presenting the prototype or the current version.
the prototype itself.
Yeah, sure.
So the main thing I want to say is that for that prototype, it's like a knowledge sharing, and then it will be say, hey guys, can you come help us, accelerate the development of this prototype? That's the main objective of that call. Okay, so coming back to the users, so I will give another. So I might have like 2 or 3 people from AT&T who will be also part of this discussion. Okay, and then we will have I think Pratmesh and maybe somebody else from Bell Canada. I have to check with Sebastian what he has in mind. And maybe Deutsche Telekom will also have somebody. I'll check with Marek.
Okay. So the thing I wanted to send me that a list of the type of users and whom we can like the testing, and of course the preparation will be to run the application on any PC and with a recording with a Zoom. Let's say we can use Zoom.
Right. So Zoom, Zoom
Yeah.
with camera, right?
The easy applications that we get to know so far. So I think it would be easy to run on any PC.
So it's not you have to get special VPN access to run this. It's not that straightforward. It's not available over the internet. So that will be the interesting part, how we do the user interaction. Okay.
So I think if you will have any other application that provides video recording, I mean screen recording and
Zoom will do that. Zoom will have screen recording and camera.
Yeah, okay. So later I will send you all my requirements and details for the service. And later in the next we can discuss more about the task and I don't know if I should complete the task to be with the users.
Who else will be your user, you said?
I mean you. You will
Yes,
be one
yes,
of our.
no. So what we want to do is a dry run with me. Okay, let's do a dry run with me first.
Okay. Yeah.
And we can schedule that anytime, right? Just let's do. So what I'm trying to say is that maybe me and Abdul go first, right? We'll give you the main feedback, and then we'll get other people's on board. So and this way we'll have a good at least try for the first time and second time.
Yeah, okay. The main part, or maybe the priority task I need to do is to test the interface from my side, from the running release, and so far I don't have any access for that one. So I need to go to work first and this the interface to the actions and the tasks and the system. And once I'm sure of the output we have, I will publish it with you so we can start doing the tests.
Excellent.
So that's all from my side so far, and as I mentioned, I just needed from you to provide the task user. Send you some criteria from my side, and maybe I'll send you a client for the test by in the next week. I wanted to emphasize or maybe to focus on the test. I'll be glad.
Okay, can you repeat that again?
If you have any important features you wanted to focus on the tests, I'll send you mine, and if you see any missing features, I hope you
Yeah,
send
I'll pull it out. If you send me the list of what are the features, yeah, I think that would be great. If we can say, here's the agenda, this is here's what we want you to give us feedback on, right? These set of features.
Okay. So it's a protocol for the user to for the usability testing. I'll just create it and we'll send it to you for review.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm done for today. You are appreciating my support.
Thank you, Sarah.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye. Thank you.